Wilson's fourth grade science project. We're going to make crystals. First, we have boiled some hot water. We've got our crystal powder in our measuring cup. We've got a few seed crystals left in our packet, our silver packet. Wilson, do you want to show them that? First, we're going to take our water and pour it into our measuring cup. We're going to take our wooden spatula and stir that mixture carefully until it's dissolved. Is it dissolving?
Think.
Once you feel like it's completely dissolved, we're going to let that stand for 5 minutes to cool. How's it looking there, Sci Guy?
Mostly yellow. I don't see that much molecules in it.
Well, if you're making a solution, the molecules should be dissolving, right?
Right. I don't really see any molecules.
Or not visible to the naked eye.
Yeah.
So you think it has become a solution?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, let's set our timer. I've already preset it. Just hit the start button. In the meantime, while we wait our 5 minutes for that to cool, what's the next step?
We should pour the rocks. We should put one rock in each container.
That's right. You want to do that part?
Right now?
What kind of rocks are those?
These are granite rocks.
And what did we learn about rocks and the importance of rocks in this procedure? Did we learn that different kind of rocks do what? Give us different crystal formations.
I can make salt crystal.
So these are granite rocks that were supplied in our kit, correct?
Correct.
Are you happy with the consistency of this mixture?
Yes, ma'am.
If you stir it a little more, it might cool a little faster.
Oh, sure. I'll do that.
So our beaker, how does that feel? Is it still hot?
It feels so warm now.
Oh, it does feel warm, doesn't it? Stir it slow. You don't want to splash that on you.
Warm enough for me to go to bed.
All right. We'll allow that to dissolve and cool. And we have approximately how long left?
About 3 minutes and 10 seconds.
So we've already stood here for how long?
So,
2 minutes. Correct?
correct, about 2 minutes. Actually, 1 minute and 50 seconds.
Okay. So after this cools,
Now 2 minutes.
after this cools for 3 more minutes, what's our next step?
You must pour this
What is that? That is our solution, right?
as our solution, yes.
And what do we do with it?
We pour in all these cups.
How full?
About up to right here,
Up to the line, right?
I think.
And then after we pour our solution in, what's the
We just
last
let it-
step?
We just had to let it just sit in the room.
Wait, what's the significance of the seed crystals?
Oh, darn it. That's significant.
So we pour the solution on the rocks,
Sure.
then what?
Then you gotta let it sit in the room.
What about the seed crystals?
Oh, no. You mean where to put them?
When do you put them?
Oh, you gotta let them sit for like 3 or 4 days.
When do you put in the seed crystals?
It's hard.
Hard? Are you sure you read the instructions?
Yeah, that's Sometimes I forget. This is so much.
Okay, so we stir this for another minute and a half, and then we pour it on our rocks.
Yes.
And then what do we do with the seed crystals?
Then we got put it in a place.
No. When do we use the seed crystals?
We will use these. When?
Yeah, when?
When we had to make the green emerald green one.
No. 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 You got 45 seconds to remember when to use those. Tick tock. They're called seed crystals for a purpose.
You
Because
use them to make crystals. When do you?
why are they called seed crystals?
Yes, these form crystals
Mm-hmm.
by powder.
They're already in a crystalline formation,
And they're
correct?
correct.
So they sort of jumpstart our procedure,
Yes.
correct?
Correct.
Our time is up. Alright, stir it a couple of more times to make sure it's completely dissolved. Stir from the center to the outer. There you go. Go all the way around the edge. Make sure you got it all. Okay, now stop. And carefully take your solution and pour just a little bit, about halfway full in each container.